Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Windows Update error 0xc1900204 in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, on search, you just need to write here regedit here, right? And open up registry editor here, press yes. And then you need to just go to key local machine, and then you need to go to software. Then on this window you need to look for Microsoft. Then on this window you need to look for on Microsoft, you need to go to Windows, and on Windows you need to go to current version here. So as you can see here, current version. And then you need to look for program files there, this one, and you need to make sure that value data is disk C, basically / program files, and then press OK, like mine here. Press OK, restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.